We are introducing a revolutionary product that can generate code from plain English in multiple languages. Currently, we support Python, JavaScript, Java, C, C++, C Sharp, PHP, Go, Perl, Ruby, Typescript, Haskell, Kotlin, Scala, Rust, Swift, and Dart languages. This improves the productivity of the software developers by 2 to 3 times. The product is for IT companies and not for individual developers. It can help immensely by reducing the cost, improving profitability, and delivering the product at a much faster pace. It will also help software developers of IT companies to learn new programming languages in a very innovative way. Apart from generating code, it can explain the code, translate code from one language to another language, generate SQL, and much more. We are using OpenAI Codex for this product. Thanks.